Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Mughlai Paneer Makhani. As the name suggests, the delicious gravy not only tastes of butter but also has a smooth texture like it. The recipe is simple, you will be able to cook it perfectly. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. A handful of almonds, poppy seeds or khaskhas, a few cloves of garlic, ginger, and some cumin seeds. A handful of peanuts. Dry roast the peanuts and remove the skin. 2 medium-sized onions that have been grilled on an open flame. Now we need to peel them. For this, just use a bit of water in a bowl. It's become really soft on the inside and that's exactly how we want it. So just peel the outer crust that is charred. Grind them to a fine paste. Here's the onion paste. Now my mixer just conked off, so I'm using the grinding stone to grind the ginger, garlic, poppy seed, cumin seed and the nuts to a fine paste. You can do it very well in the mixer itself. That's the poppy seed and nuts paste. Cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, mainly used for the color, butter and some oil, and essence of Kewra. In a large bowl, add in half a cup of yogurt or curd, 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, salt and sugar. Mix it thoroughly till everything is well combined. Add in about 2 cups of water. Mix it well and keep it aside. Cut the cottage cheese into cubes. Put them in a bowl. Soak them in water. This is just plain cold water. Heat a pan, add in the oil and butter mixture. Let the butter melt. Add in the whole spices to flavor the oil. Make sure to crush the green cardamom slightly, otherwise they'll just pop open. Add in the onion paste. This is already cooked. Cook it for a minute or two on medium heat. That's how it looks after 2 minutes. The oil is separating. We don't want any color on the onions. It's time to add in the poppy seed, nuts, ginger garlic and cumin paste. I have made it into one paste. If you want, you could actually grind them all separately. However you do it, just make sure that it's a fine paste. I'll just add in the turmeric and Kashmiri chili powder and cook it till the oil starts separating. The oil has started separating. It took me about 4 minutes to get to this stage. I'll just lower the heat and pour in the yogurt and gram flour mix. Mix it in. And we'll bring it to the boil. We'll let it boil and thicken up slightly. Adjust the seasoning at this stage. I'll add in a bit of salt. The gravy is thickening up. Just give it enough time for the gram flour to cook and thicken up. You can adjust the consistency by adding some water if you want to make it thin. That looks perfect to me. Time to add in the paneer. Drain the water in which the paneer pieces were soaking and add it into the gravy. Just simmer it for a couple of minutes. That is simmering away, and just check the paneer pieces. They have become really soft and tender. That's done. I'll turn off the heat. Add in a teaspoon of Kewra essence. Give it a mix. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Sprinkle some chopped coriander on top and serve it hot with roti, paratha or naan. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.